Welcome back to the Everyday Fishing Channel, where we go fishing every day. I don't know if you can hear them bells ringing, but I sure do. He's been in my pole. Oh yeah, we got us a fish on. We got us a fish on. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, look at this. Yeah, we're out fishing in the rain today. You gotta be underneath the big old cypress tree. Look at this guy. He thinks he's pulling. Get him up out of that grass. Yeah, there he goes. Got us a fish. Get on up here, boy. Look at that. Fish and a salad. Got us a nice little catfish. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see here. Oh, I gotta grab my pliers behind the camera. Gotta grab the pliers behind the camera. There we go. Got the pliers. Let's see if we can get this guy off of here. Get all the salad out of here. Alright, we got him. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Hey now, you joker. Chill out. I'll get you off the hook. Mellow out. I'll get you off. See? There you go. We got him. There we go. Go fishing every day, boy. That's what you get. Whoa! That's what I'm talking about. We went fishing in the rain, still catching fish. You got to love it. Absolutely gotta love it. Hey guys, I appreciate you watching this little bitty short video. The videos in the future will get better. I gotta get a different laptop because the one I bought ain't cutting it. I can upload faster on my phone, my $35 cell phone, than I can on a $400 laptop. So just bear with me. I'm gonna get the GoPro, I'll get a better laptop, and then we'll have some real fishing YouTube videos. Thank you guys for watching. Tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell your granny, tell your cousin, tell your neighbor, go fishing every day. Thanks for watching.